Thank you for joining in, and for today's tutorial I am going to be using some gouache here on some black watercolor paper, and I have just a little like crescent moon there and some clouds sketched out with a pencil because I really wasn't sure how this was going to turn out. I've never used the gouaches with the black watercolor paper. I used my other watercolors recently because I did just purchase this the black paper, so this is new to me. But anyway, I wanted to see how well the gouache would take and like how bright they would be on the black paper. So again, that's what I'm doing here, just something really easy. I figured a nice nighttime scene that I am sharing here today. So I'm just ahead with my yellow there, and the gouaches that I have, they're just squeezed out on the side there. I think it was the 24 set from Arteza. I know it was one of their smaller ones. I think it was the 24 one. But yeah, so that was the type of gouache I'm using. And then I have my white tube is separate, that I'll show here in a little bit when I'm doing the clouds, was the Turner brand. Right here I am using some of the deeper ultramarine blue. I know it's a little hard to see right now, but it's actually once it dries, I'll show like a close-up in the end. I was surprised how pretty everything came out, because again, I know it's like a little hard to see here. That's why I ended up mixing some of the sky blue and a little bit of magenta in with it. I was trying to build up some layers here on the moon just to see what it looked like, and it was okay. I mean, it was a little bit streaky, but then I decided to just leave it alone after the second coat, because the more I thought about it, I didn't want it to be super duper bright, because obviously this is like a nighttime scene, or a nighttime scene, and I thought it looked kind of cool how when it dried you could still see some of the black showing through, almost like it was a little bit of an eerie mood, and with the wispy clouds I thought it matched a little bit better, so I decided to just leave it with the two coats. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Be sure to like the video and subscribe and stay tuned for more.